so common back then. What's that? It's yikes.
This kind of house is give
what? Get in the house for? The door's open. Okay. Wait, you guys move out of the way. On it.
You're in somewhere, aren't you?
0.5. What are you doing here? Oh, out of my way! Out of my way! Yikes! 5? Oh, you got me. Well, I guess. Let me in too. Huh? Bye. Huh? Square! Yay! Yeah, whatever. No keeps allowed in the house. What are you doing? Yes, keeps allowed in the house. It's 8 the super cube. What's going on? 8, it's raining. You have the powerful powers to show it away.
The full garden, the back full garden.
Yikes, 1. What are you doing? I don't know. I just want to hide. Hide from the rain? Go for it, 1. I believe you. Hey, 3. Wanna hide from the rain? Let's get in the house. It's a better place. Huh? Oh well. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. A half. Throw that thing away. Magic mirror. Don't you dare. Yeah. And not 2 halves equals a whole, right? Well, yeah. I'm 1. This is fun. 1? 1? This isn't fun. Come on, let's get in the house to hide from the rain. Wait, it's raining? Oh no, no one never told me that. Oh. Hey, what's happening? It's raining. That's what's happening. Then why is the magic mirror in use? Oh, that's actually a question. Well, let's leave those guys in the umbrella. Stop screaming. You have your own. You have your own umbrella. Let's close the door. Yeah.
what
What do we do with the house?
It's in the corner.
I don't know.
It's a
Hey,
house.
don't steal our umbrella.
Surrounded.
Let's go to the house. But there are too much people. Let's go to the balcony. The house is almost broken. Well, we can use the magic mirror for something. Too. Now my head is stuck on the umbrella and I can't get it off. Yes, you can. Just try.
It wasn't that bad,
That's it.
deserved better.
3.
If I collect that tap.
Get in the house.
No, Daddy. It's right opposite us. No, the one on your left there.
Oh.
Mr. Man. When I went down, she said, just, no, we'll buy a yak on up with me. Honey, how are you? Honey?
Good.
We just came in. Oh, from where? Honey, from Kuwait.
Good.
Oh, no way. You from Kuwait? I said, is it your house? Yeah. Your booty, man.
Bóyá àwọn náà ni gbogbo yìí
You were Isha Kiniwamba.
bóyá àwọn náà tiẹ̀ ní street àbáyà náà ń jẹ́ Sakura.
Make space.
We don't know if they
For
bought up all the
one,
houses and the houses.
3.
Honestly.
Coming in the way. Oh, 2. Can you pass? Gasp. 8 in the way. You can still pass though.
That's how they were greeting me.
1. Ups.
And then close.
Oh, there's another 3. We can make 6. No, I can't. Oh, 6.
Hopefully 30 minutes. Those foundation school teachers, Zona 1 is. I don't think Milton Keynes is represented.
Close the
They want to cut off all
door.
those things.
Well.
All
Stop
these
it.
compliance, this thing,
Sorry.
The pastor said at MPTC, for doing them, you get blessed.
2, 3's in the house. We have to go join them. But 2. Don't even think of going on the balcony. I know. The umbrella will cover us forever. And there will be room for everyone. Let's get in the house. Okay, everyone is in the house. Correct. Yeah. So what do we do? We'll wait for the rain to stop. But, hey, we can't do that. How we live? Oh, well, I guess. Uh-oh. Oh no, the air. Our roof is breaking. Oh no, now it will rain in the house. Nor anymore. Let's put 6 on the roof. Hey, let's put more numbers. Not good at all. We need no more numbers. How we need more numbers? Well, you know. What? Magic Mirror? Don't you dare. Grr. Mm-hmm. 6, get out of there. Not good at all. We need more numbers. How we get more numbers? We will put you in the magic mirror. Oh no, now it's raining lava. What do we do? Get lava. No. It's raining no more. Ah! I'll just show myself in the mirror. Get on top of me. Let's put you guys on the roof to protect us. See you in back then.